Hello, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And today I have a really fun sneak peek for you to share with you the projects for the February Sweet Creations Club. It's going to be featuring some designs using the Perennial Postage bundle, which is in the January through April 2024 Spring Mini Catalog. So I wanted to share with you what the projects look like, what you'll need to make the projects, as well as how you can sign up to get the projects. So if you're not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, it is a monthly subscription club where each month I design a project kit focused around a particular bundle, and then I ship it to you. It's automatically charged to you, so you don't have to think about registering. The cost for the club monthly is $39 a month. It includes about $20 in consumable Stampin' Up! Products. Obviously, the pre-cut project supplies, the cardstock pieces for you to be able to make your projects, and the PDF tutorial, and then shipping as well. If you just want to try a club kit for 1 month, I do offer a 1-month non-subscription option for $45. So if you're interested in just trying it out, just send me an email or message me and I'll be happy to get you that information. All right, so the projects, they're going to be making 3 cards in the club kit, just really, really beautiful, simple cards using the Lavender Designer Series paper. Just the paper alone is just so beautiful that I didn't want to detract from it very much. Just let it be the star of the show. And so what I did is I added the paper butterflies just to kind of bring out some of those really pretty butterflies that are in the paper, and to have a nice little white accent against the background. And this one is a fun fold. Actually, it's 4 cards. I said 3, it's 4. This one is kind of a fun fold pop-up card that can be mailed flat for mailing. And then there's the back, just a simple little strip of designer series paper. And then there is one 3D project, which is like a treat holder, or if you want to put some smaller cards inside, you could do that. And just really fun little box there that mimics like a little envelope. All right, to be able to complete these projects, you are going to need to have some supplies. One of them is the Perennial Postage bundle. I love, love, love this bundle because I feel like there are certain die sets that I call foundation die sets, and the Perennial Postage dies are exactly that. They're ones that you can keep using over and over again for your projects. And then obviously you can't go wrong with the sentiments. A sentiment set is always handy to have a variety of different sayings. So when you order it as a bundle, you're going to save that 10% as opposed to purchasing them separately. And you can add this onto your club kit if you like. Usually at the end of the month, I will send an email out to my club members telling them what supplies they need and giving them an opportunity to order whatever they need. In addition to the bundle, you're going to want to have an ink pad, and I only used 1 ink pad this time, and that is the Gorgeous Grape. If you have a different purple, that should work fine too. There's a lot of purples that you could pull from, but I use Gorgeous Grape in my projects. And then just 2 simple adhesives, your multi-purpose liquid glue or your favorite tape glue, and then the dimensionals. So guys, the sign up or the subscription period runs for the February Club Kit from now till February 5th, 2024. And then I will order all the supplies and I will ship them out to you by February 15th, pending any back ordered items. All right, guys, I would love to send you this happy mail. Please reach out with any questions. Take care. Bye, guys.